Hello there. My name is Adesuwa Onyenokwe, and this is Seriously Speaking. On the show today, we shall be examining the issue of one word and a term that became very popular in the past few months during the run-up to the presidential elections and after. An inclusive government. What does it mean when someone says, I will run an inclusive government?
It's not easy to just talk about inclusive government. You see, because there are certain basic things, fundamentals that have to be addressed. Because in this election, the APC fought PDP with the strength of a lion, the wisdom of a serpent, and the justice of nemesis.
When I think about inclusive government, I think about having an opportunity to get up and go to the government and helping the government. People are talking about what Buhari is going to do, but also fail to realize that now that he's in power, we also have to change.
This would be the most, crucial time in the history of our nation, where young people need to take a united front and decide on exactly what works for us collectively. So not necessarily for me to become special assistant, or necessarily because I want to be minister or I want to be someone.
Change we require in Nigeria is a leader that will understand who we are and inspire us, reconstruct our values, because our values are disappearing.
For a lot of people, they didn't feel like their votes would count. But what Jega has done, with what Goodluck has done, and with what Buhari hopefully will do in his administration, I think people will start realizing the power of their vote.
As young people, build capacity, build capacity, build capacity.